I've got Leonardo Hotel over here. I do see the revenue room. And if I click on it, I'll get the details, which is, of course, for all financial people, really interesting. But for me as a general manager, I would like to see where this data is coming from, and especially how this data is built off. And just by clicking on it, the system will lead me to the underlying data. And it's still NetSuite. We are not zooming in or zooming out to logging into another application. All the data is synced. So me as a hotel owner or a manager do not have to jiggle between the different applications. Over here, I've got the Hotel 360 tab. And within the Hotel 360 tab, I'll have got an overview to just retrieve data which is right now collected in Opera. And again, by clicking on it, it's the same user interface, it's the same information, it's the same data. We are making sure that everything is synchronized. And with this synchronization will allow me to have every information that I would like to track. What could be that information? And that's something we can discuss together, of course. But essentially, I've got now overview around the guest. So I know William, in this case, is the guest. I also know what kind of room he did a booking on. I have got confirmation numbers, Opera transaction numbers. But scrolling to the bottom, you will also see information such as the folio data and also the journals which has been posted. Let me zoom into the folio number, because this eventually will give me even more information that is presented over here as well. The moment I click on this, I'll get a number of information which could be really interesting for me. First of all, again, I get the Opera customer details. And again, this could be really interesting for now, because now I can see how often the customer books a room, not only for one specific hotel, but across the different hotels that I've got. So maybe we can also initiate the loyalty programs with them. Scrolling to the bottom, I also have got an overview of all of the revenue and the journey that the customer is taking in that sense. Because this customer might log in or actually check in, which is the initial cost. He might also want to purchase or sit in the bar and buy some drinks. He might also want to use the restaurants. And every information, every data will be tracked over here. Going to the details, these are the revenues. And underneath, I've got a payment.